I'm Mr Hobson, teacher of physics at SGS Grammar School, and welcome to A-level physics. Physics is a wonderful subject. It is rewarding but challenging at the same time, but is a facilitating subject for all university courses. Here in physics, we're going to start off by looking at the building blocks of the universe up until the point of where the universe is going. Physics has 3 types of assessment, 3 papers, but along the way we have optional units as well. We start off in the AS year by looking at particles and radiation. Why do we belong? What builds up matter? Before having a look at waves, then going into mechanics and materials, and then looking at electricity. That is our AS year complete. Next, we go into the A2 year. We have a look at further mechanics, so looking at why satellites are in space and how they keep their motion. Having a look at thermal physics, fields and their consequences, nuclear physics, before ending with astrophysics, which is our optional unit at the moment. We study astrophysics because students find it interesting. We want to know why the universe began and where it's going to end, and why stars form. We have some entry criteria to get onto A-level physics because of the demand of the subject. If you're studying separate science, physics, we will need a grade 6. However, if you're doing a combined route, then we need a 6-6. Both will set you up. We will cover some of that missing knowledge if you are doing the combined route. We start off from the basics and build it up slowly to make sure we're in a position to have progression in our learning. You will also need a 6 in maths because there is a mathematical demand in the topic. However, you will be supported along the way, all of the time. You have got your teachers to support, but also additional resources to make sure we have the required level of understanding. Along the way, we want to broaden your horizons and make it applicable to the real world. When we're looking at particle physics, we'll talk about the Large Hadron Collider in Geneva, Switzerland. We hope to book a trip there so that you can see physics in action. Alongside this, I want to promote the historical background of physics, so we'll go and have a look at Newton and his origins, because he is based in Lincolnshire and he is local to us. We also want to explore different problems like nuclear power and make sure we understand it. Hopefully you will decide to take A-level physics and enjoy the journey. It's an incredible journey, rewarding, tough, but I know most universities would like you to take physics as a facilitating subject, including medicine, law, accountancy. Is an incredible varied subject and lots of disciplines would like it. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Haven. I'm the head boy and A-level physicist student at SGS Grammar School. I would recommend physics to anyone that enjoys learning about how things work, because in physics we learn from the very small to the very large. I would also recommend physics to anyone that enjoys applying the maths that they learn in their maths A-level. I would also recommend physics because it is an incredibly useful subject for a variety of careers and university applications, namely engineering, medicine and law, because it shows you have a very good understanding of logical problems as well as sort of solving other problems and applying sort of stuff you learn in other areas.